Hello, this is Simply Exploring and Adventuring with Lewis. Today I'm just going to meander through the properties of, I'm not sure if it's still part of the Holtwood Nature Preserve, but I'm just going to go down this road back here and see what's back here. I'm not sure if the preserve is still active anymore, but I'm going to look around and see what I find. And you're welcome to come along and see what I find. Now I'm just going to go around this gate. It says we are, according to the sign on the tree back there, that we are guests of the property here. And it has also a sign for to wear orange during hunting season. So if you're coming here during the times when there's hunting going on, I would highly recommend that you wear some type of orange, either a hat or a shirt or a jacket or something. So, haven't been here before. This is my first time around. Like I said, I'm not sure. Wow, look at all those blackberries. I don't know if these are the edible kind. I'll tell you. They are nice and sweet. Oh my God. Oh my God. That's some kind of berries, but they're good. They're nice and sweet too and ready. Wow, this one has a whole bunch of ripe ones. Oh, that one just fell off. Oh, another one just fell off. What a waste. I saw all these berries. Gosh, they're so good. That one's ready. I looked on the ground and I saw all these berries all over the place. I'm like, oh, I wonder if the blackberries are ready. I think they're blackberries. Not sure. I hope they are. They are so good. I wish I could have taste along with me. Oh man. You know when they're really ripe because they just fall right off the tree. That was so good. What a waste. I mean, I know all the humans. A little bitter. That one was good. Yep. My hands are getting berry juice on them, as I call it. Oh my gosh. All those poor animals that are wasting this resource right now. Of course, I'm sure they don't want to be pooping berries the whole time. Sorry. See if that one's ripe enough. Yep, it was. Well, look at that one. No, landed in my hand. Okay. Oh my gosh, look at these. They're pretty big. I hope they're either blackberry or mulberry. But, sorry. Let me stop. I could have had a feast there. And the skies look like they wanted to kind of change from earlier when I left my home. I'm out here on late in the day today. I don't know why. Well, I was doing other stuff and I just got out late in the day today, so. Oh wow. I guess the Lord wants me to have all these berries. I wish I had a container. Oh, those ain't good. Those are really like watery. I don't know why. These aren't as sweet. Let me see. Maybe I wasn't meant to eat them. Nope. Those don't really have a flavor. I don't know why. Let me see if these do. Oh, maybe. No, the other ones, that first batch did. Now we are also pretty close down the road from Kelly's Run, which I may return tomorrow. Today is a Friday, so I'm just looking around and seeing what's here or what's left of this. I'm not sure if this preserve, like I said, is active anymore, like it used to be. Of course, this was once owned by, or still is. I don't know if it's PP&L anymore or Exelon. Well, I'm not sure where I'm going right now. I'm seeing these cones. I'm not sure if they're here for a reason. I'm sure they're here for a reason, but I don't think this is the actual trail anymore. But let's see where it goes. Like I said, it's early evening here, and I wanted just to see where this thing goes. I don't have any kind of trail maps or... Oh, beautiful blue jay. I hope I caught it. It was a beautiful blue jay, just took off right now. Wow, butterflies. I'm not sure where he went, but I did see that blue jay take off. He might be up here somewhere hiding, I'm sure. No, it just leads to a dense area, but that was a neat find. Just out of nowhere. I'll be turning back around because this is not a defined trail or anything. And like I said, I've never been here before. I've driven right by here so many times, and I didn't even know this preserve, or what's supposed to be a preserve, because I have pictures of when I stopped by the office, which is closed. I'm not sure if it's open even during the daytime. So one of these days I'd have to come back again and see if anyone's in the office and get some information. So I'm turning around again. This might be just a short video. I'm not sure how long it's going to be, depending on what I find or don't find. Now, I'm gonna go. I wanted to go around this way. It looks like something. We started to do something here. And like I said, this doesn't have a defined. It's supposed to have one, but like I said, I didn't see much information anymore about it, of what, if even the preserve is still active anymore. Again, comes to just an opening, a clearing here. And I'm not sure where this goes again, so we'll turn around. This was a spur of the moment one. I just wanted to get out because it was not even half an hour ago. It was beautiful. I mean, the sun was shining gorgeously, and it was only like a 30-minute drive for me to come down here. Now this looks like it was some kind of a service road or some sort, looks like to me. So either PP&L used it, or Exelon now. There was PPNL, Pennsylvania Power and Light, for a while. Then Exelon Energy, who owns Peach Bottom Nuclear Plant and the now defunct 3 Mile Island. So I just did that little loop. Sorry, bug. I just did that little loop, and it looks like I'm heading back to the parking area where I was at. So like I said, this might have been just a short little hop. I didn't know if there was anything back here. I might stop in at Kelly's Run on the way over, which is up the road here, on Holtwood Road, I believe. And we are also nearby Muddy Run and Whistler Run Park. So stay tuned for those adventures. Sorry. And my vehicle is right over there, so I'm gonna stop here and